Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So before everything else, I just want to announce to you guys that I've decided to make the unboxings focus more on specific items instead of having multiple items in one video, so that you guys can just click on the items that you're interested in. We'll be able to go more in depth when it comes to these items when we just focus on one for one video. So let's get started. So for this week guys, we're gonna be unboxing a Jimny item. It's for the 2019 and up Suzuki Jimny, which is the same as Project JEEPny, as you can see, who is behind us right now. Today, we're gonna be featuring one of the parts that most of you guys have been asking for. It's actually the Jimny Angry Face Grill. So as you know guys, this Jimny Angry Face Grill is what transforms the car to look like a Jeep. This part is actually very hard to find. Even if you guys Google search this part, you won't be able to find it. This is the reason why we're making this video today, so that we can show you guys up close where to get this part, how you can buy it, and what the part is made of, and etc. So as you can see, we have this box in front of us, and it has these Japanese markings here. And if we translate this to English, it is this. Hase Garage Company Limited. So this product is made in Japan, guys.
Actually, it took me 2 years to find them again.
Yeah, so see what I mean? It's very hard to find these people. If you live in the Philippines, you can buy this part in Peter's Garage on my dad's FB page. The link is in the description box below. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this box. First thing you see inside is a well-packaged grill. It has these styrofoam cheese curls. I see some catalogs over here. It says here, thank you from Japan. Just a thank you letter and a short description of what you're getting. So apart from those stuff, it also comes with these mesh grills which go in the middle of the holes in the bumper. So the reason why there's two is because these are actually two grills. My dad ordered two of them from them. You'd be super lucky if by the time that you watch this video that this is still in stock. So this is most likely going to be sold already by the time that you watch this video.
You can always pre-order from Peter's Garage.
So here it is guys, the Jimny Angry Face Grill, which makes your Jimny look like a Jeep. So the item is actually made out of plastic.
ABS.
Yeah, it's ABS plastic, unlike before, which is what is on our car.
This is made of FRP, fiber reinforced polymer. So
this one is a new material. It's much better than the old ones that they used to produce. So you guys are lucky if you're just going to be purchasing this today. These are made out of high quality plastic.
Let's show them the back portion.
Check out the back portion, like very high quality. Everything is perfect. So the OEM clips slot in here and here too.
And then I think there's 2 screws.
Yes. Yeah, so you can literally just bolt this onto your car. But of course you have to have it painted because the finish right now is a combination of flat black and gloss black. I don't know why they finished it like that, but anyway, you have to get this painted before installing. So yeah, we're just gonna check if this is exactly the same as the one that we have, except that it's plastic of course. But it should look pretty much the same.
Nice.
So what we've done for Project JEEPny is that we had it painted in this like metallic gray finish, which is pretty dark. And then this is wrapped with flat black wrap. So that gives off the angry face look. And yeah, you can do that with this one if you purchase it. Very good, high quality product from Hase Garage. If you are interested in this, just message Peter's Garage on Facebook. You can purchase this part. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This part is very hard to find, and I hope this answered a lot of your questions on where you can buy an Angry Face grill. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel for future Jimny content and for future parts that we'll be unboxing. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. Goodbye.